Very good morning, children. Children, today I am going to inform you about your open book test. Your open book test is chapter number 4, Disaster Management. The question which I have given as your assignment will be for your open book test. According to this assignment, your marks will be given for open book test. After completing the assignment, you will send done message in group, and if your subject teacher will ask for open book test paper, you will send the pic of your answer sheet. So children, I hope you all understood properly about your open book test. Now second one, you all are having on 14th October, that is MCQ based practical question paper of 10 marks. That marks we will consider as practical marks. So children, for that you will read chapter number 5th and 7th. Again listen properly. For your practical MCQ based 10 marks online, that is Google form, for that exam you will read the lesson thoroughly. Which chapters? Chapter number 5th and 7th only. Now revise this video. It will help for your open book test. First, add box. It's important in our home. Second one, external bleeding. Third one, burns and scalds. Fourth one, sunstroke. Fifth one, snake bite. Sixth one, dog bite. Or you can say that rabies. First, add. In day-to-day life, sometimes we have to face disasters or accidents. For varying proportions. On such occasions, it is necessary to give some immediate aid even before medical treatment become available. So, children, first aid box, it should be there in our home. So, what's the material our first aid box should contain? First aid box kit or box is a necessity at home, workplace, traveling, schools, etc. Second point, it should be contain cotton roll, sterilized dressing, a pair of scissors, Dettol or Savlon, Dettol soap, adhesive plaster, tablets like crocin, necessary medicines, painkiller, tincture iodine, electrolyte powder, ear or eye drops, potassium permanganate crystals, Bernal ointment for cramps, as well as you can keep Amritanjan for headache, as well as tiger balm or some other types of balm. If it is possible, you can keep all this material or contents in your first aid box. So child, here we will see external bleeding, or related to that first aid box for internal as well as external bleeding. Let's first understand external bleeding. Then child, external bleeding means bleeding caused due to the cut on the skin. In simple word, the bleeding caused outside the body. The symptoms depends on the site injury has taken place. But the most pain at the injury site and the visibility of the blood. Internal bleeding means loss of blood from the blood vessels that collects inside the body. Of course, internal bleeding we can't come to know because it is internal parts of the body. Only we can come to know external bleeding and we can treat or we can do the first aid box help with the help of external bleeding. We can't come to know the effect of internal bleeding. So child, only for external bleeding. Let's now see how the first aid for external bleeding is to be done. Firstly, make sure that if you are not in danger, if you are safe, then only we suggest you to go and help out the needy. Secondly, make sure you are not making a direct contact with the blood. So before touching the wound, make sure you are wearing hand gloves. The next step, immobilize the wound if possible and continuously monitor the injured area. So, in this way, we can treat as till we are not reaching to the hospital. Now, secondly, we will see burns and scalds. Here, two types of burns are there. First one, minor burns. In that, we will take care. First point, the injured part should be washed with water or held under water. If little bit burning is there, then. Second point, give the victim water to drink. Third point, clean the wounds using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. Fourth point, related to minor burns, do not apply oily ointments. Next one, cover wounds using dry dressings. Suppose serious burns is there, then what's the precautions we can care? First point, give emotional support. The person should not be frightened. Therefore, first of all, before doing any treatment, we should give emotional support to him or her. Next point, cover the wounds with sterilized cloth. Third point, remove jewelry, shoes, etc. if easily possible. Next point, do not touch or burst the blisters on the skin. Do not apply oily ointments. Next point, do not try to remove the cloth if it is stuck to the burned skin. If you will do so, then with your cloth, your skin will also move with the cloth. Therefore, if it is possible, then only you touch the cloth. Otherwise, you don't touch because the infection of skin will affect. If the patient is conscious, give water to drink but avoid tea or coffee or other stimulating drinks. Get medical aid at once. And after that, as soon as it's possible, take the help of doctors. Now, next, our disaster management is sunstroke. So children, when we work in the sun continuously for a long time, the body loses a lot of water and minerals. You can see easily how this picture is shown. In this picture, that man is suffer because of sunstroke. That is the reason for sunstroke. Remedial measures. What the remedial measures should be? First one, take the patient to a cool place or in the shade. Second one, sponge the whole body with cold water. Place a cloth soaked in cold water on the neck. Give plenty of water or liquids like sherbet to drink. It will recover fast. If the patient feels like vomiting, make him lay prone, that is on his or her abdomen with the head turned to one side. Get medical help or shift the patient to a hospital. So, to avoid this sunstroke, what you have to do? Then child, to avoid sunstroke, drink 12 glasses of water. Second, avoid oily food. Third, avoid to go super exposed area of sunlight. If it's necessary to go out, then only go with prefer precautions. What precautions you should take? If you are unable to expose sunlight, then wear sunglasses. Apply body lotion. Eat citrus food. There are some treatment for sunstroke. You can take care. Automatically your problem will solve. So now our next point is snake bite. There are nearly 2000 species of snakes. Of these, only a few like cobras, kraits, viper and sea snakes are poisonous. Therefore, all snake bites are not fatal. However, fear causes severe psychological shock which can result in death. If you come across a snake, contact a Sarp Mitra rather than killing the snake at once. And what else you can do? However, fear causes severe psychological shock which can result in death. If you come across a snake, contact a Sarp Mitra rather than killing the snake at once. Now, first what you have to do if it happens? Remedial measures. First point, wash the wound with water. Second point, give emotional support to the patient. If you will not give emotional support, then snake bite had done. That's why what that person will do, in the face of that shock only he will die. That's why we have to give emotional support to that person. Tie a cloth tightly above the wound where the snake bite had done. Above that wound, one cloth you have to tie so that poison should not spread in other parts of our body. Next one, get immediate medical help. Because we don't know snake bite is poisonous or without poisonous. That's why immediate treatment we should take. Now our next point is dog bite, or we can say rabies. In a dog bite, there is a risk of infection through the blood. Hence, first aid and medical help are necessary. Then, first, when it bites, what we have to do? First point, wash the wound with a solution of potassium permanganate or other antiseptic. Second point, cover the wound with a clean and dry cloth. Third point, get a doctor's help and an injection of the anti-rabies vaccine. With the help of all this treatment, we can avoid any type of injuries. So children, I hope you all understood this lesson properly. Children, read the lesson thoroughly. If any doubt will be there, then ask. With the help of your subject teacher, you clear the doubt. So, children, I hope you all will see the video lesson properly and complete your assignment. Children, be healthy, safe and happy. Thank you.